The Kia PV5 WAV offers a new kind of mobility designed to give everyone the freedom to get around. This includes a safe and comfortable ride for wheelchair users. This video shows how to help wheelchair users get in and out of the vehicle. Start by exiting the driver's seat and moving to the passenger side. Then, open the passenger side sliding door. Pull the lever in front of the rear seat cushions and lift all the seats up. Lifting the seat creates space for the wheelchair to enter. After fully securing the wheelchair, lower the left seat cushion so that the caregiver can board the vehicle. Take the extension belt from rear seat lower tray and buckle it into the wheelchair passenger buckle on the floor in the back right. You'll hear a click when it is securely fastened. Do the same for the back left buckle. Both buckles must be connected to buckle the passenger seat belt. Now open the ramp cover and pull the handle. Then slide out the manual two-step in-floor ramp while keeping it level. Unfold both side guards to help the passenger enter safely. You can use the ramp in either the one-step or two-step position, depending on the situation. On raised surfaces like curbs, use the one-step position. On flat ground, use the two-step position. Next, close the ramp cover. Once the ramp is in place, slowly push the wheelchair into the vehicle. Position the wheelchair into the yellow marked area facing the front of the vehicle. Use the wheelchair's lock levers to lock both wheels. You can now use the retractors on the floor to safely keep the wheelchair in place. Press the lever on each retractor, pull out the belt, and attach the J-hook to a solid part of the wheelchair. Check that all four retractors are tightly connected to the wheelchair. There's a seatbelt for the passenger on the cabin ceiling. Pull out the front seatbelt latch, pass it under the right armrest of the wheelchair, and buckle it into the right extension belt buckle. Do the same with the other seatbelt latch. Pass it under the left armrest of the wheelchair, and buckle it into the left extension belt buckle. After buckling both plates, check that the seatbelts are not twisted and pull them tight to make sure they are secure. Now, open the ramp cover and fold in the side guards. Lift the ramp by the handle and slide it all the way in while keeping it level, and then close the ramp cover. Finally, close the door to complete boarding. Exit by reversing the boarding steps. Open the ramp cover, pull the handle, and slide out the ramp while keeping it level. Unfold the side guards to make sure the passenger exits safely. You can use the ramp in either the one-step or two-step position, depending on the situation. Next, close the ramp cover. Unbuckle the second latch of the seat belt from the left extension belt buckle. Then, unbuckle the first latch from the right extension belt buckle. Stow the latch back in the cabin ceiling. Next, remove the J-hooks from the wheelchair. Use the wheelchair's locking levers to unlock the wheels. Make sure the passenger goes down the ramp slowly and backwards, since going forwards may cause the wheelchair to overturn. Once the passenger is out, open the ramp cover and fold in the side guards. Now lift the ramp by the handle and slide it all the way in, while keeping it level. Next, close the ramp cover and store the extension belts in the rear seat lower tray. Then lower the seats back down. Finally, close the door to complete exiting the vehicle. Experience safe, comfortable journeys for everyone with the Kia PV5 WAV.
Kia, movement that inspires.